Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials and making the first cuts. Lay out your paper and cover. Once aligned, score the fold line with a bone folder so pages fold cleanly. Use a ruler and craft knife to trim edges for a uniform 1/2 or custom size. Make sure to keep paper grain consistent. This prevents warping. Stack pages, check alignment again, then clamp with binder clips ready for binding. This sets a precise foundation for neat stitching or stapling. You proceed to the complex middle steps, binding. Once pages are clamped, measure and mark 3 to 5 stitch stations along the spine, about 1 to 1. 5 cm from the edge so holes line up. Poke holes with an awl, then thread a needle with waxed thread, double it for strength. So a pamphlet or kettle stitch, pulling each pass snug but not over tight. Make sure to tuck and tie ends inside the cover. This creates a durable, flexible spine that lies flat. You finish by trimming and reinforcing, then troubleshoot if needed. Once sewn, unclip and use a straight edge to trim head and foredge for crisp sides. Work slowly to avoid slips. Apply a thin bead of PVA glue to the inside hinge or paste in papers to reinforce the cover joint. If the spine feels loose, reclamp under pressure and brush a light coat of glue into the stitch holes. Let it cure 30 to 60 minutes. This secures structure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.